bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
I'm going to start off wacky rigging this 5-inch lunker lock from Guggen baits. I'm not a Guggen lover or baits lover or anything, but this was available actually back a month ago or so when the shortages were around. There's still a lot of shortages around, but Guggen soft plastics were actually available at my local Dick's Sporting Goods here, so that's what I got.
Sometimes you need to go, take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Today, used with black and blue, or black Cinco with blue spec. This is actually the last month's spot, so let's see what we got in here now. Alright, first things first. You know what I want to know about this? If you're not familiar with MonsterBass, what they do is they take your region, the area you fish, and they find out what's natural around there, and they match it to your region and the time of year you're fishing. So this was for last month, so we're still just right out of last month, the time of year. So you're telling me in this region this scary son of a bitch exists? I'm telling you, the day this lands, the real one lands in this boat, that's the end of those underwear. That ain't washing out. We got us weedless pre-rigged realistic giant swim bait. Might actually work today. Lunker hunt, catch big fish, white, stick bait, 5-inch. Lunker hunt crush popper. Lunker hunt popping frog. Lunker hunt yapper rat. This would be ideal for this actually. This lake that I'm on, top water and weedless would be ideal. Boy, the visibility is terrible today. Lunker hunt salted core crawls with the 4-aught hooks. So is there anything in here I want to fish right now? We'll make a quick cup of coffee here with this French press from Gator. We've used it at home a few times. We'll see how it works out here. With the French press, unlike the percolator, you boil the water in a separate container. So I guess that's a con on the press.
Sitting here, I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together.
We have some Red Door coffee. That's over here in Center Valley, PA, near me. So it's a local roaster. You know, when you can, buy local. Am I even recording? Yeah. Alright.
Great outdoors, forever free.
This was at our local farmer's market yesterday. Me and the wife and the family were at.
Sometimes you need to go, take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
See how it's going. It's already bubbling. That's good.
Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
This is the coffee French press by Gator, Gator Coffee Products. If you want to pick one of these up for yourself, I'll put a link in the description box below. It's not a sponsor. We use it quite a bit at home, and I brought it out here today. Show y'all how to use it in the wild. There are, two popular ways to make coffee off grid: French press or a percolator. Next time we'll show you a percolator, and we'll burst the two. Well, fishing was kind of a bust, but that is what it is. Conditions are bad today. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Go get a cup of coffee.